Today, we are going to learn about 10 uses of water. Water is a liquid substance. It is required for daily activities. There are several uses of water. They are as follows. Drinking. Drinking water is essential for the survival of living beings. Cooking. We use water for cooking. It is used to prepare varieties of dishes. Washing. Water is needed to wash clothes and utensils. Cleaning. Water is used for various cleaning purposes like cleaning floors, cars, etc. Plants. Indoor and outdoor plants need water to grow and survive. Animals. Just like humans, animals also need water for their survival. Aquatic animals. Aquatic creatures live in the water bodies. Growing crops. Water is required to grow crops, fruits, and vegetables. Livestock. Water is also required for rearing livestock and fisheries. Hygiene. We use water for brushing, washing hands, bathing, and sanitation. These were some of the uses of water. Water is equally vital for the survival of the plant and animal kingdoms. We must not waste water. We must use it mindfully.